Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is tequila, pineapple juice, and a little splash of Grand Marnier. One of you guys actually commented under one of my videos and said the next time I'm drinking tequila, and I think it was tequila and Sprite, that I should put some Grand Marnier in there. And honestly, it does, you know, make it taste a little bit nicer. So that's what I'm drinking. Pause the video if you need to, grab yourself a drink, come back, and let's talk. Okay, so last week we spoke about dating younger men. For this video, we're going to be talking about dating older men. Now, right, again, this is coming from a woman's perspective. As a man, if you want to comment down below on dating older or whatever, this is coming from a woman's perspective. I don't know how to word that part, but men, chime in as you feel free. Okay, I'm allowing you that grace. As a woman dating an older man, we get a little bit more of a pass to do so. It's and even then, no, not really. Men get more of a pass for dating younger than women do for dating older. If we date older, we're looked at as gold diggers. And while that's all good and grand and dandy, you take from that what you want and you believe what you want, okay? As for myself, from the age of like, I want to say 14, 15, 16, big man want me, right? And I've never looked at it as predatorial until I got older and realized, like, why at the age of 16 was this 25, 35-year-old man trying to look me, right? At what value could I have added to your life at that age? What conversations could we have had at that age, right? So if you're in that 16, 17, 18 age range currently and you're watching this video, take a step back and think about, this man could possibly be your father, your older uncle, right? And what are the conversations that you're having? Or is he just using you as a comrade? What are you getting from the relationship, right? My last baby father, when I was 18, he was 40 something. Him and my father grew up together, okay? And I didn't think of it as predatory or anything like that, because in my head, I'm like, oh, him love me. Oh, I'm mature for my age. Oh, him seem young and fun and nice. No, it was not okay then. It's not okay now, right? If you're in your 30s and you want to date somebody in their 50s, that's completely different. Completely different, because now you have a certain mindset, you've experienced certain things, you travel to certain places, you have a certain level of education, whether book smart, street smart, whatever the case is, completely more acceptable than you being 18, 19, 20 and dating somebody 40, 50, 60. Okay? With that age differentiation, it's really a problem, right? Especially if it's somebody who you grew up with. If it's somebody who, you know, in your community and they help you cross the street to go to school, or help you buy school books, or helped you in any way, shape, or form, you look at them as somewhat of a father figure, it's not okay for you to now be 18, 19, 20 and deciding to go there with this man. In Jamaica, it's a huge thing where schoolgirl there with big man. It's a huge thing where schoolgirl there with taxi driver and bus driver and conductor and all these things. It's a huge thing, and these men are predators and pedophiles. I do not recommend it. Live your young, youthful life. Get the most out of what the world has to offer for you. But if you think this big old man who's supposed to be living his life with his wife and children mean you any type of good, he does not. He does not. Okay? Again, if you're older, more mature. Again, if you're like, I want to say late 20s going into your 30s, the youngest I would say is not even 20s. The youngest I would say is 30 if you want to date somebody 20 years older than you. Because in your 20s, you still have so much to do. You still have so much to figure out. Even in your 30s, you still have so much to do and so much to figure out. But at least you have a better grasp of the world, a better understanding of the world. And I personally wish that I had somebody to sit me down and say, Lori, this is not okay. And granted, I may have had somebody say, yo, this the right. I wasn't listening to them. And instead of them instilling that in me, they just let it go by. Oh, she's 18 now, so, you know, she's a big man, she can do whatever she wants. No. As 18, you shouldn't be thinking of being a housewife or cooking and cleaning and raising kids and all these things. At 18, babes, 18-year-old men are not thinking about becoming husbands. The majority of them anyways are not thinking about raising kids and taking care of a wife and all these things. They're thinking about where's the next party they can go to, where's the next girl they can sleep with, what's the next new drug they can try. Live your life. Do not let society tell you that as a woman you're supposed to find a man and settle down. I actually had a conversation about this today on Instagram. Do not allow society to make you feel like less than a woman because you enjoy sex and you want to have sex and you want to try all these new things with different people. Live your life. There is no reason for you to settle down at the age of 18, 19, 20 because you feel like that's what you're supposed to do. Right? Right. So when it comes to dating older men, make sure that you are in the right state of mind. Make sure that you are at the right maturity level. When you are 17 and 18 and these men are approaching you and saying, oh, you're mature for your age, no, they are pedophiles. They are perverted. They are perversed. They are predators. They are preying on your meekness. They know what to say to get into your head, to get into your drawers. They want the tightest and the youngest of the youngest, right? And because women their age are not going to put up with their bullshit, they're going to go to you. Do not fall for it. It's okay to live your young life, your young single life, your young free life. There is no pressure, there should be no pressure for you to find a man and settle down. Okay? Okay, I only had one sip of my drink this whole time. I think I covered everything. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. If you agree with me, let me know. If you disagree with me, let me know. If you have anything you want to add it right now. Again, men, chime in if you want to. If you are here to debate in the comments that an 18-year-old and a 40-year-old belong together in blissful harmony, shut up. Shut up. I have been there, I have done that, I have lived that life. Shut up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face.